Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my Medusa's makeup June 2021 subscription unbagging. I've already opened it up and checked things out and got really excited about this month. You know, Carla B left me a comment saying that she can't wait for me to see it, and I'm already very excited about it. So I went ahead and just put on a little bit of makeup because I want to put some of these products on in the video. I've got my mirror right here next to me, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing in here is like the little bonus product, and it is from Beauty Host. It is the Camellia Brightening Mask. Look how cute this packaging is, right? That's adorable. The roses. And this is a $4.99 value. You guys know I love a sheet mask. They're fun. My glasses are catching all kind of glare. Sorry about that. It is what it is. But yeah, I love doing sheet masks, so I'm always excited to try something like that out. Even if it's fragranced, to me, a sheet mask is just a funsy, so I don't take them too seriously. Next item. Well, actually, let's go through all of the little flyer things that came in here. So right now, they are doing a free lipstick with a $30 purchase with the code Lippy. Go ahead and steal that if you'd like. And then save the date. August is the birthday beauty box. I guess it'll be their big anniversary. The beauty subscription turns 5. So if you are interested in what they're going to be doing, it says 5 premium products, featured brands, and a bonus item. So if you are interested in getting the Medusa's makeup box, maybe August would be a good month to start. And then our theme this month is Bon Voyage, which is cute weekend getaway essentials. So those are all the flyers. So I want to go over this product because this is one I'm not putting on. It is from Seraphine Botanicals, which they have sent things from before. I think I have mixed reactions on those historically. And this is the Liquid Kohl Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm not opening this because I am in the middle of another eyeliner, so I just don't want to open it. And the second you open something and use it, the contamination starts, right? Especially something like this that goes near your eye. You don't want to be using it forever and ever. So just not going to open that until I'm ready for it. But I do love a liquid eyeliner, and it looks like there's probably a felt tip on it. You know, I don't want to open it, but it is like the traditional just black pen looking thing. And this is $22, which is like the whole daggone bag. So that's a great value, and I'm very pleased. And we haven't even gotten into the Medusa's makeup products, and we're already at $27. So that's pretty sweet, because that's way more than the bag costs, which is awesome. So the first product I want to share with you, I've already taken it out of the plastic wrapper. It is the Halo Glow, and this color is called Tiger Lily. This is a $16 value. I went ahead, and you're gonna get some sneak peeks here, but I already swatched it. It's in the middle there, and that is a beautiful shade of blush. So it does come with a little topper on top, which I'm terrible at taking these things off. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this because it looks beautiful. So I do need to take off my glasses a little bit. That might be a little heavy, but we'll see. Looks like I'm going to a super girly football game or something. Yeah, I did not need that much product on my cheeks. I went a little bit heavy there, but we can fix that. That's fine. Okay, so I'm looking a little sunburnt right now, but I think it's just going to require a little more blending. So I'm going to keep going and doing this. So you definitely don't need as much product as I put on my cheeks, because now I'm like as pink as all get out. But it is a gorgeous shade. It is so beautiful. I'm just going to take a little loose powder and put it over there to kind of mute the color. Okay, so here we go. You can see it definitely shows up on the skin. I would say that's probably a shade that could easily be used on all skin tones, because you saw how pigmented it showed up on me with just like a swipe. And I am glow in the dark white. So if it came out that pigmented and I now look like a clown, I think it'll be beautiful on dark skin tones and will show up really well. The next product that I'm going to leave my glasses off for, can't really see, but we're going for it, is this right here. It is the Luminous Highlighter Hotel. Now, is that the color Highlighter Hotel? Yeah, that's the color name. Interesting. So this is a $16 value. You can kind of see it's got like a rosy tint to it. There's a pinkness really underlying. Oh gosh, focus on me. I swatched it right here. I don't know if you're really going to be able to see it. Oh, you kind of can. You can see the pink reflecting off. Super pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little stuff. Why does it keep doing that? Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of this on my cheeks and maybe a couple other spots too. So here is that color on my cheeks. I never know how this is showing up on camera, but I think it looks gorgeous. Now I'm going to put these back on so I can actually see what I'm doing. I just have been wearing my glasses a lot more. Since I'm home a lot, I don't even bother to wear contacts because it's like, if I'm not wearing sunglasses that day, why bother? Oh, and here was the cute little box that highlighter came in. So the last product is one I'm very excited about, and this is the Medusa's Makeup Vegan Lipstick in XXX, which is a $14 value. So here, I've showed their lipstick packaging before, but the boxes are so ornate and gorgeous. And then the lipstick tube is just black with a metallic logo. And this color, oh my god, this color is amazing. So I've swatched it right here lightly on my hand. That is like one stroke. Isn't that fantastic? So I'm gonna put this on, then I'll come back. Okay, so kind of a quick slap on lipstick job, but look at how amazing this color is. It is gorgeous. This month's box is just chef kiss fantastic. I am just pumped with every item. I'm not going to give any of them away to friends. I love them all. They're staying here with me. So as you can tell, very pleased with this box. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!